in this video we are going to see that how can we center align any text in Microsoft Word. So first of all, what is a center alignment? Center alignment is when the text or a paragraph is actually spaced evenly both from the right and the left sides. That is known as a center alignment. Let's see how do we do that. So suppose you want to center align this first paragraph. You need to just select the whole paragraph, go to the home tab. In the home tab there is this paragraph group. Here in this paragraph group we have 4 alignment options right now, or by default the alignment is the align left for all the documents in English. Next is the center alignment option. So if you just select on this is how the paragraph is center aligned, and that's actually the step that you need to do. But in case you are not willing to do such a complex step or basically a long step, there is a shortcut available as well, that's Control E. You can just select the paragraph that's not already in center alignment and press Control E once, so it would be center aligned. If you press Control E again, it would go back to a left alignment. Okay, now suppose let's just set the paragraph to a right alignment and press Control E to center align it. Now again, if you press Control E as a shortcut for center alignment would be removed, and again it would go back to a left alignment. It does not go back to the previous alignment, it goes back to the left alignment. Okay, now what is the importance of the center alignment? Suppose there is a heading that you want to insert. Let me just increase the text size a little bit, and I want to insert a heading. Let's say heading. Okay, so heading on the left side would not be that much readable. We can just align it to the center so that it is much more readable. So that's how you center align any text or any heading or any word in Microsoft Word document. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.